Vietnam is a beautiful country with stunning landscapes, rich culture, and delicious food. If you're a UAE resident planning to visit Vietnam, you'll need a tourist visa to enter the country. This guide will walk you through the process of applying for a Vietnam tourist visa from Dubai in simple and easy-to-understand language. Before diving into the application process, it's essential to understand what a Vietnam tourist visa is. A tourist visa is a document that allows you to enter Vietnam for tourism purposes. This visa typically allows you to stay in the country for a specific period, usually 30 days, and can be extended for another 30 days. General documents requirements for Vietnam tourist visa from Dubai. Passport. The passport should be valid for at least 90 days from the date of expiry of the requested visa. The passport shall contain 2 blank pages at least. UAE residence visa. Valid 3 months beyond the intended date of departure. Passport size photo. A digital photo for a visa application or a printed photo for visa on arrival. Applying for a Vietnam e-visa from Dubai. The Vietnam e-visa is an electronic visa that allows you to apply online and receive your visa via email. This option is convenient and can be done from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Prepare the required documents. Step 2. Visit the official e-visa website. Step 3. Complete the online application form. Step 4. Upload the required documents. Step 5. Pay the visa fee. Step 6. Receive your e-visa. Step 7. Arriving in Vietnam with your e-visa. Applying for a Vietnam visa on arrival VOA from Dubai. The visa on arrival VOA is another option for UAE residents traveling to Vietnam. This option allows you to apply for a visa upon arrival at one of Vietnam's international airports. However, you'll need to obtain a visa approval letter before your trip. Step 1. Choose a reputable agency. Step 2. Pay the service fee. Step 3. Receive your visa approval letter. Step 4. Prepare the required documents for arrival. Step 5. Arriving in Vietnam and getting your visa. Important tips for a smooth visa application process. To ensure a smooth and hassle-free visa application process, keep the following tips in mind. Apply early. Start your visa application process at least 2 to 3 weeks before your planned travel date. This will give you enough time to address any issues or delays. Double-check your information. Ensure that all the information you provide in your application form is accurate and matches your passport details. Keep copies of all documents. Always keep copies of your visa, passport, and other important documents with you during your trip. It's also a good idea to store digital copies in your email or cloud storage for easy access. Follow the rules. Adhere to the visa conditions and avoid overstaying your visa. If you need to extend your stay, contact the local immigration office in Vietnam for assistance. Get expert assistance. Only use reputable agencies for your visa on arrival application. Applying for a Vietnam tourist visa from Dubai is a straightforward process, whether you choose the e-visa or visa on arrival option. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free visa application experience. Remember to apply early, double-check your information, and keep all necessary documents ready. With your visa in hand, you'll be all set to explore the beautiful sights and culture of Vietnam. Contact us for expert travel and visa assistance with your Vietnam visit.